Hey gardening fans, doing a charcoal barbecue here, and I just wanted to show you how I start my charcoal barbecue naturally, and it also adds a nice scent, nice smell. It's kind of like adding rosemary to your, just a little. It gets all charred by the time you add your food on top. Still have to heat up your grills and disinfect them, but I'm slowly adding coals. You can see some coals already in there, but I love dried out pine because it just lights quick and stays lit for quite some time in there. It's very easy. One material. You don't need to have starter wood and kindling and then middle wood and bigger wood and all this stuff. So I got the rest of the pine burning off there, but you can see the coals are basically already ready to go. They're already gray. These are the briquettes or charcoal that I'm using. Fast starting, long burning. They definitely burn very long. Very long. So that's why I'm not putting too many, because the first couple times I used it, I've never used these pucks before, but now that I've learned that they do burn for a lot longer, so you don't need as many. They give off the same heat. It's very hot, just this much. So I'm going to be doing a couple steaks, and I'll show you in just a sec. Okay, here we are. Just came out with the steaks, and we're closer to 400 there. And you can see there's very few coals in there. So I'm not kidding when I tell you how hot it gets with just a few. So I know my grills are starting to lose seasoning. That's why I'm not gonna put the meat on the brown sides where it's rusting a little. So I'll slap the first one on. Alright. Small girlfriend steak is on. It might be a little bit frozen still. Took them out of the freezer this afternoon. And Papa steak. Here we go. Could have blew on the coals a little bit first, but it's all good. Take a little bit longer. They're pretty cold still from the freezer. We'll just close it up, open our chimney, and wait it out. All right, so we're maintaining that temperature right now, and should be ready to go. That was done a long time ago. Look, you can't even see the charcoals. Can't see the coals for how few you need to use. Let's cut. Cut and check. Which side you want. Check one on here. Oh yeah. Here's good. Well done over there. Another one over here. Still needs a bit of work, but I'll take it because there. Oh, actually, ready. It's ready. Might have been a bit frozen still. That's why it might be a bit weird right now, but not bloody at all. Beautiful. Beautiful steak. Look at that. Coals are still burning. There's the other side. I think the camera's focused pretty good. It's not too bright or dark. So thanks for watching this quick charcoal barbecue tip video. Hope you enjoy. Let me know, how do you start your charcoal barbecue? And if you like this, if you like my advice, please give a like and subscribe for some more great cooking tips. And also check out my other videos. Lots of different types of videos. Gardening, microgreens. Gonna be doing some mushroom hunting. Other hacks, cutting your own hair, your girlfriend's hair. Lots of fun stuff like that.